All right, so I am talking to you about why we have a heated environment. Why do we keep this room at 90 degrees for our athletes? Training in a heated environment, you become acclimated to different temperatures. So not only are you able to perform better in a warmer climate, you can also perform better in cooler climates as well. As the heat increases, your blood thins out. It evenly disperses between your tissues and organs. It facilitates proper healing, facilitates better circulation. Your heart rate increases much quicker, which increases your cardiovascular activity. Your metabolism increases, which allows you to burn through fatty acids, glucose, all of that much at a quicker rate. Core conditioning in general requires flexibility. Even though the core temperature doesn't increase much more than about half a degree, all of the tissues and ligaments and tendons, those all warm up much quicker. So as the heat increases, athletes are able to move and increase their range of motion, have more flexibility, have more extensibility, which helps improve their performance in those endurance activities and improves their strength and range of motion. That's why you need to train in the heat.